Hey everyone, Andrew the Video Guy here at Garvey Hyundai with a challenge. Take your 2020 Chevy Equinox on a road trip to anywhere. What do I mean by that? I mean, open up the trunk, fold the seats flat, and load up all this cargo space with cold weather gear, with snacks, water for the road, anything you could possibly want on the road, emergency kit to be safe this kind of year, and then we head up front. Heated seat. Heated steering wheel. Everything is ready for the road. I don't have my gloves on me for some reason, but with the heated steering wheel, that's fine. Set it in gear and drive. Drive where? I don't know. Take a left when you would normally take a right. Find these roads you've never been on. Explore the beauty of the Adirondacks in the winter. And when you finally decided that you've reached your destination, you found some really cool scenery, a gorgeous view, or even just beautiful snow-covered trees, take a photo of your Equinox there and send it to us. Upload it to social media, tag it with the Equinox challenge, something like that. Then it's time to get home. How do you get home? With built-in satellite navigation. It doesn't matter if you don't know where you are. It doesn't matter if your phone has cell tower reception or not. You are never lost with the built-in sat nav on the Equinox. And there you go. You've got your road trip to anywhere. What's that? You don't have a 2020 Chevy Equinox of your own? Well, that's okay. I think I know a place that might be able to help out. Give us a call, go online, or stop in today.